terrible.
They literally said anyone that does this shit, you're getting your fucking plates written down. Why do they do it?
Oh! God! Johnny just got gapped on live television. How do you feel?
Fuck you! Oh my god, alrighty, so charged battery, SD card, phone, wallet. Alrighty guys, literally last minute mega meet at where are we? We're heading to Gold Coast tonight. Johnny's picking me up, and yeah, let's see what it's about. Hopefully get some better footage than last time. And yeah, let's go. Rocking the beam.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Oh, nice to see you cleaned up for me, man.
Let's go. Oh, I bought the camera.
Yeah, of course, man.
Let's go. I haven't seen you in a while.
I know, I've been fucking painting houses. Yeah, man.
I think we'll go check. I think I'm around there, but also like, you know, I'm like perpetually broke. Like,
this is a cool little setup, eh?
yeah. Did you see the guy getting pulled over by the police officer? Right out front?
No.
Undercover police car.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right. Where is Ben? There's Parks. Should we park or should we go look for Ben? Yeah, that guy right there.
Is it a cop?
Yeah, look.
Oh, it is a cop.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Giving him a bit of a search.
Bit of a serve. So, what is this? What's this mean? It's not definitive.
Inked. Didn't it say?
Oh, it's an Inked and Co meet. Down the Gold Coast, mega meet. Johnny's picked me up, and we're gonna go check out some cars.
Isn't it that shirt brand?
It is.
Yeah, they've got them pretty big.
And almost getting fisted by the police.
Oh no, my gym card at home.
You what?
Left my gym card at home. Look behind you.
Oh shit. Good Life 24/7. Could have gotten a pre-meet pump.
Yeah, that's what you need. Back in the day when Zizzle was around, I'm sure that was the thing. Everyone shows up with tank tops.
Evo? I don't think this thing will do anything right. Oh, literally Evo crew. Damn. Good. Look who it is.
G'day, poppers.
What's going on? Oh shit.
Yeah, I drove to the rooftop, mate. It's cold. You haven't seen the Supras yet?
No.
Come have a look.
Alright, I want to look at... good, man.
There's fucking some guys.
That's pretty nice. How long ago did you guys get here?
Where the fuck
did Johnny go? Oi! Bullshit.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
3RZ.
Holy shit.
What the fuck is 3RZ?
Ah, yeah, 3RZ. Is there a turbo?
Yeah.
3RZ turbo? Wow.
It's little, but...
Yeah, that's one of those like cheapo like eBay kit things.
Yeah, it looks at that. Nice weld to that though. Is that a
Yeah.
custom tub thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it looks alright with that.
Wheel arches, yeah. You have to have them. You know how mine are like cut out because they haven't welded
You know
mine
how
in
you've
yet.
always got these guys in.
I know. They're still worth fuck all.
Yeah,
Just crazy about it, mate. Someone would have dumped 100 grand into it, and it's like 15, 20k car. I can't see from here. Is it a carbon roof?
Look at all the laps he's been.
Oi! What's Scotty done? Oh, nice.
It's a Batmobile.
Fuck yeah. That's sick.
They did a good job at. And even wrap these matte as well because they're gloss.
Yeah, right, yeah. Fuck yeah. I'll show the Evo quickly. That looks sick. Little 1200 U.
Hey, this is 38 grand.
I want one. Chips. Eat them.
What the hell?
Damn, I want one. Oh shit, you scared the fuck out of me.
How's your day, man?
Good, man. Good, I did fuck all.
Did you go to gym?
Nah, man, I did nothing. I drank
Gym every
last
day.
night. Wait, look at this little Civic though, that's sick.
I go to gym every day, man. 4 o'clock.
I mean, the bonnet's average, but it's still pretty cool. Oi! Damn! That's sick.
I want an EG Civic.
Yeah, look at that. That looks sick. You don't like the hatchbacks?
Nah, you love the sedan. Hate it.
I hate the
Sold my
sedans.
sedan.
Nick had one of these little things. Yeah, I know. Let's have a look at this wrap, man. What have we got? Oh, another Chaser, man. Let's have a look at the Chaser, man. Oh, it looks clean. Get one of these, Byron.
Yeah, man.
Oh, sedan? You said you like sedans?
Yeah, man.
Cheap. Cheap. 45k. Cheap.
Yeah, hey, my rear fenders look just like that. My rear fenders look just like that.
Yeah, wow.
Same shape, you know.
Boy, Civic, ask him to buy it, man. Where's the big bushy boy? Hey. S13.
440 horsepower, same shit.
Would you have an Evo 3, man?
See that red?
What's that?
Mate, see that red skyline there?
Yeah.
Just see the turbo on it, man. It's
Really?
not open, it's fucking bigger than my head, man.
How come you getting to pop it now, man? Well, I want one of these, though. That's not that old, you dickhead. That's a 997 though. Still not old. Damn, Benny boy. Whip's looking good, mate. Oi. Fuck yeah. I really want an FD. Roof for sale. Oh, hey, up the AU.
You can look at the Hilux actually do like so Scott and I cruise on the highway next to each other and he pulled on the on-ramp and he's like, change lane. Yeah, see? I do like this in the front end a bit more.
That's the old one.
I like that one better.
So they're like the same car. The only thing they did.
Rounded. I like this one better.
Yeah.
I like the square lights. Under the seat.
So they're basically the same car. The only thing they change is the bonnet, the grille, the headlights, and the front bar.
I like this one.
But the guards are the same, except for they're off a four-wheel drive. They're two-wheel drive.
I like the rims on this one.
I like your suit, man.
Wait,
Where?
are we going to GYG?
Yeah. I'd like hand you.
Oh yeah, I learned to drive manual in one. Is that a Mark II Golf? No,
That? That's an old Honda Accord, maybe. Could be, unless it is a Volkswagen.
No, it doesn't look like a Golf. But I learned to drive manual in one of those. Is it? I think it is a Golf.
What is it?
No, it's not.
Is it a Honda?
Square headlights.
Is it a Honda?
Yeah, Honda.
Told ya. I wasn't filming that whole time, Benny. We got to get the Supra again. I literally forgot to turn the camera on. Oh well. Nice. Let's go, Byron. Oh, I want the. What do you think of the wheels? I want these wheels tonight. You like them?
Yeah, I love it.
Good man. Alright, let's make sure. Or your Recaros?
He's also got Civic and video.
15 deck. Nice. Get one of these, Byron.
Hopefully in the future, man. Maybe you'll sell yours to me, man.
Nah, man.
Should we leave before the cops get in?
Yeah. That's what everyone's saying.
We're going. Yeah, I love those rims, man. I don't know, we just maybe head now.
Where'd everyone go?
Everyone's saying we better get out.
Yeah, right.
Let me know where Johnny's on. I'm going to cruise in Gold Coast.
Have you seen Johnny?
Why don't we cruise in Gold Coast? Tell Johnny to go Gold Coast.
Alright.
The others might follow, they might not, I don't know.
See if Johnny wants to cruise Gold Coast.
Yeah, man. Catch us later.
Let's have a look at this one quickly. Oi, Chaser bar. Yeah. Looks good, man. Watch out for the video.
I was in it. Alright, I'll see ya.
Don't fucking leave me, I don't even know where he is. Wait, looking good. It's fucking terrible. Wait.
They're gonna get fucking stopped in a second.
Take it easy.
They literally said anyone that does this shit, you're getting your fucking plates written down. Why do they do it?
So true.
Fucking idiots. They sound nice, but it's just it's a notch.
Oh. Don't leave me, man.
Yeah, we gotta go, boys. Cops are fucking coming.
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going?
I'm going in the car.
Oh. I'll meet you there. This car. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll meet you at the car, Johnny. Thanks, mate. Fuck. Let's go. Oh. Fuck. We got cops.
Let's go. Where are we going?
I don't know. No idea, Johnny.
Tell me this might not be police. I would go into a car meet and say, cops are coming, Everyone spread the word, and then
Have they already?
this old Ben just drove out of here, didn't even tell us where he's going. Oh, mad comms, boys. Apparently they're going surfing. Alright, see ya.
Oh! God! Oh. You're gapped, pussy!
Bitch.
Johnny just got gapped on live television. Jonathan, how do you feel?
Fuck you!
Alright guys, we're going to cut it short there. I got like an hour's worth of filming, so I am going to split this vlog into two. Bear with me, getting used to sort of logging out in public and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, not too sure I got the greatest footage of the meet, but I did try and cut it in a way in which it was somewhat entertaining. But yeah, anyway, so in the next vlog, we're basically going for a cruise around the Gold Coast. We meet up with a couple of guys that came up from New South Wales. So yeah, had fun with it. Anyway, yeah, give the video a like if you liked it. Comment down the bottom. Yeah, anything to help the algorithm. And yeah, I appreciate all your help and support. So see you in the next one.